Good afternoon, everyone. Shortly in this video, I'll be showing you some simple Excel tricks on how to use our switch functions. You can see on this data set given to me, we have three columns. The first one is the sales column and the list of names written under. Then the second one is the rating columns and the numeric digits under. Then the third one is the notes column and the cells under it are empty. So under the performance rating, we have 1 to 4, which is not easily understandable. So what we are going to do is to apply our switch functions. We are going to convert these numeric digits to alphabet. First of all, what we are going to do is to replace them with an alphabet digit. So what we do is 1 will represent what? Poor. 2 will represent fair. 3 will represent good. Then 4 will represent what? 4 will represent excellent. So these are what we are going to use. We are going to replace in the performance rating column. Where we see 1, replace it with poor. Where we see 2, replace it with fair, and so on and so forth. So imagine we have like 1,000 columns or 1,000 rows. What are we supposed to do? Columns. What are we supposed to do? You can't just start typing everything once and for all. We are going to generate a formula and to replace all these numeric digits into alphabets. So what we do is this is where your switch function setting. So is what you click your equals to your switch function, tab, what click on cell B3 comma 1 comma open bracket and close bracket. So anywhere we see 1, we put what? We put poor. Then anywhere we see, you close the bracket, put 2. So anywhere we see 2, we replace it with what? We replace it with fair. We close the bracket. So anywhere we see 3, comma, we replace it with what? We replace it with good. So you close the bracket, you close close it. So the last but not the least is 4. So anywhere we see 4, we replace it with what? We replace it with excellent. So they perform excellently well. So you put excellent. So you can see our formula has been generated. What you first do, you align the column, which is cell B3, after your switch. B3 comma 1 comma open your hyphen, input it poor, close your brackets like this. Once you are done, you can see the formula bar at the top here. You scroll check if your formula is correct. If your formula is not correct, it will give you a sign that your formula is very wrong. So you will know from the scratch and try to correct it. So once you are done, all you have to do is to close your bracket. Once you close your bracket, you click enter. You can see now that the formula has been applied successfully. So this formula now says anywhere there is 4, it replace it to excellent. So anywhere there is 2, replace it with fair. Anywhere there is 1, replace it with poor. So what we do is now is to apply this formula in cell C3 to all the remaining cells in the notes column. So what you do is to come to the left, you will now drag it, come, Ctrl Z, you come here, you drag it. Once you drag it, you see that the formula is applicable. So we've successfully replicate our performance rating in numerical digits to alphabet successfully. So that's how we make use of our switch functions. Thank you very much. For more tips and more video, click like, share and comment, or subscribe for more videos.